Ukunyuswa kwamanani empahla uma ukhokha ngekhadi lasebhange Matilom kushaya kuzwele kwizakhamuzi zaseSoweto. iNewsroom Africa ekwethulela lezi ndaba zethu ihambele kule ndawo ukuzwa kabanzi ngalokhu.
Ke bona ka re ha se ntho e botse e ba idirang mo community ya rena ke bona
Angicabangi ukuthi lento eyenziwa emphakathini wethu ilungile. Bathatha izimali zabantu. Kungani besikhokhisa imali ekubeni siphinde sikhokhele izinhlawulo zamabhange? Shuthi uma ungikhipha ikhulu lamarandi, ngikhokhiswa imali ethe xaxa. Sizogcina singasakwazi ukuthengela imindeni yethu.
ya re bolaya ntho a rona mo re yang re ka se be le tšhelete ya go rekela bana maswiti wa le kopeni.
Sibe sesiqinisekisa lokhu ngokuhambela eMatilom endawo eBramfisher. Ngempela intatheli yeNewsroom Africa yakhokhiswa imali eyengeziwe khathi ithenga ngekhadi lasebhange.
Okay, so when you're buying cash, the loaf of bread is 20 rands. When you swipe, it's 22 rands. And of course, here.
Uphiko olumela amalungelo abathengi luthi lokhu kuphambene nomthetho.
And the Consumer Protection Act is quite clear, and it's Section 23 that speaks to pricing. If I'm a customer that intends on buying a product or a service, that product needs to be labeled. There needs to be a price attached to that product, and I must pay for what that price is.
Lolu phiko lunxuse ukuthi abathengi bafake izikhalo ngabanikazi bamathiloma bephula umthetho wabathengi.